Hi, and welcome to the 10 square meter workshop. I recently decided to change the router on my CNC machine. I have a nose nest Workbee to a VFD driven spindle. A popular upgrade, these are essentially a 3-phase induction motor driven by a variable frequency power supply. Think brushless, a popular name for this technology. These give more power and accurate speed, but for me the main reason was noise. These motors, especially if water cooled, are considerably quieter. Some have measured a 26 dB reduction. Although my machine is in the garage, the sound does still reach to the house. Not loud, but then my wife can hear it. Enough said. More after this. I'm going to cover this installation in 2 parts. First the operational installation, and then the automatic control via the G-code of both starting and speed control. This latter is optional, but it's a nice feature. I went for the 1.5 kilowatt motor, the maximum, because of weight, recommended for my machine. It's water cooled, despite the increased complexity, because of the noise advantage. It was bought as a pair, along with the VFD unit, as it gives a better price and guarantees compatibility from Amazon. Plenty to choose from, either here or on eBay. The top is the one I chose. First I wanted to check that it worked before starting installation. This involves wiring the motor plug. 3 cores go to pins 1 to 3 on the 4-way plug. The 4th is meant to be for the earth, but mine was not connected to anything in the motor. These connect to the 3 output terminals on the VFD. They can be connected in any order. If the motor runs the wrong way, any 2 wires are swapped over. A mains lead was added and the unit tested. All fine. For mounting on the machine, a range of brackets are available. However, there's only 3 mm difference to my router diameter. I found that a strip of 2 mm aluminium sheet made it a comfortable fit, saving the cost of a new bracket. I bent it around a pipe of roughly the correct size. The wiring was routed through the drag links and to the VFD, which are fitted to the right bulkhead. See my previous installing a CNC machine for more information on my previous installation. A quick test showed that all was well. Now for the water system. I used an old plastic container that once held paving grout, strong and with a well-fitting lid. Inside I put a small pond pump and routed the wires and tubing through the lid. I tidied this with a 3D printed guide piece. The pipes run through the sides of the bulkhead above the machine and run along an arm that holds both the pipes and the vacuum tube. I considered running the pipes through the drag links, but decided that water and electrics do not mix, and any kinking problems will be difficult to diagnose. The main pipes are 10 mm OD, 8 mm ID, but these change to 6 mm ID to match the motor glands. The pump runs whenever the machine is powered on. I see no reason to switch it. I'm just using my old brush system for the moment, although I do have a new one planned. I now have a working CNC machine, albeit in manual mode. Automation in the next episode.